video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Eisenhower Matrix template in ClickUp. The Eisenhower Matrix is a simple but powerful way to prioritize tasks by urgency and importance, and ClickUp has a ready-made template that sets it up for you in seconds. I'll walk you through how to find it and apply it to the right place in your workspace so you can start organizing immediately. First, head to the top right corner of your ClickUp screen. That's where your profile menu lives. Click your profile photo or your initials if you haven't uploaded a photo yet. This opens a menu with options specific to your account and workspace. If you work in multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the one where you want to add the matrix before you go any further. From that drop-down, select Templates. This takes you straight to the Workspace Templates area, where ClickUp stores templates you can use and reuse. If you don't see templates in the menu, try expanding the menu or confirming you're in the full app view rather than a minimized panel. The Templates section is where you'll browse and preview what you're about to add. Now, find the Eisenhower Matrix. Use the search bar at the top of the Templates window and type Eisenhower Matrix. Spelling it just like that will surface the correct template. If multiple results appear, look for the one clearly labeled as the Eisenhower Matrix template. You can click into it to see a quick preview of what it includes so you know exactly what you're getting. When you're ready, click the Eisenhower Matrix template, then click Use Template. This is your confirmation step. The preview usually shows the layout and fields the template will create, which is helpful if you want to verify that it matches your prioritization style. Next, choose where to place it. Select a space or a specific list in your workspace. Spaces are great if you want the matrix available across a broader team area, while a list is perfect if you're focusing on a single project or personal workflow. Once you've picked the location that makes sense for you, click Apply Template. ClickUp will create the structure in that spot, so you can start sorting tasks into the 4 quadrants: Do Now, Schedule, Delegate, and Eliminate. And that's how you use the Eisenhower Matrix template in ClickUp. Quick and easy. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more practical productivity tips.